In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find and manage your recent chats in Gemini app. Let's get started. First, launch your Gemini app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on toolbars. Here you're gonna find all of your activity. If you wanna delete any of this specific chat, all you have to do is press and hold on it. Then select the option delete, confirm it. By following the same steps, you can easily delete other conversations as well. Likewise, to manage all the activities, click on this gear icon. Now head over to the option, Gemini Apps Activity. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now click on the option of delete. Here you're gonna find different time frame. You can set it to last hour, day, all time or custom range. With that, the selected time frame activities will be deleted. Likewise, click on this drop down. From now onwards, you can disable your activity. Likewise, you can disable your activity as well as delete all the previous activities by clicking on the option turn off and delete activity. So that's it. This way you are able to find and manage your recent chats in Gemini app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.